All right, today we're going to talk about why you might need multiple sources. So let's double check a website I found yesterday. I just Googled digestive hormones. This is the first website that popped up. There's a couple of things that make me go, as I'm looking it over. One is the title. Healthaliciousness.com makes me wonder. It doesn't sound very official. It's also a .com. But it does have some interesting things here according to the National Digestive Diseases Clearinghouse. It has some information that I could use. So the first thing I want to see is if there's an about page or an author page. I'm going to click here, and it says it is created by Paul House, a health analyst who believes that many diseases can be prevented through proper nutrition, and who also creates scienceofaging.com. So probably I can use information from this website, but I'm going to need to be careful and double check it to make sure that Paul here, who I don't know if he's a doctor or what his credentials are, but I just need to double check them to make sure that they're okay. So let's go down here. I notice he says, according to the Wikipedia article on appetite. Wikipedia is an okay place to start for your research, but you don't want to actually use this in the type of research that you're doing, like medical research. You might go here to find some details, and then you could Google those things later and find it from other sites. But you don't want to use Wikipedia in an article like this, in the type of research you're doing. He also says here, another hormone to tell the body is full, and the one that is theoretically suppressed by high fructose corn syrup. So I'm wondering, theoretically, where did he get that information? It takes me to a link again on his website, so I don't know where that comes from. But it does say a 2004 paper in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Oh, that sounds interesting. So I'm going to click on that. And this one, it's a little tough to see up here, but it's nutrition.org. Now, I would probably have to ask Miss Liz to kind of look through some of this with me and help me, because I notice this is a lot of science language. But I can look through and see if I recognize any of my, what are they called, digestive hormones, and look through those sections, and I might find something in here that I could use and that I can cite. So that other website isn't necessarily one you want to use. You could use part of that and then use part of this one, and then you've doubled up on your research. So that's why we recommend going to more than one site. Again, if you found something on Healthaliciousness and you thought maybe it would work, you could Google it and find some more information to back it up. But it's really important that you double check that you're getting correct information. Otherwise, you don't know exactly where it's coming from, because people can put anything on the internet. So that's why we're asking you today to do double check your research.